Kill-O-Byte here, and you may have noticed that I've changed the channel name to be a little more descriptive. It's now Kill-O-Byte DIY, for do-it-yourself, and how-tos and reviews will continue. So same content, just new name. Got several videos planned for the upcoming months. Some Miata videos, primarily around decorative things, cosmetics, and some Chevelle stuff, new aluminum radiator, starter, mounting of transmission cooler leak. Okay, I could go on and on with the Chevelle, but I'm actually hoping to do some new videos on the Chevelle coming up soon. And I've got several non-automotive things coming up. Probably the next video will be how to deal with a problematic Whirlpool dishwasher. I'm hoping in the upcoming months to do some hydro dipping, some swirling, and some other cool, fun how-to videos that I think you may enjoy. I want to say a special thanks to all my subscribers and appreciate you watching. Take care.